What's up? What is happening, everybody? My name is T Rail. How y'all doing, Redneck Nation? We in the mud truck today. Can y'all see that? I'm gonna take y'all on the truck vlog, as y'all see in the title, man. From Sonic to Walmart we go. Up Church done said it. Bottleneck done said it. And that's just how we roll, man. Check it out here. Look. There is the Sonic right there. My road, my house is like 2 streets down that way, down yonder, man. And we finna take y'all on a journey. We is in the F-150 here. As y'all can see, Mud Jug truck is in rolling mode today. So here we go. Anything coming? Anything coming? Nope, ain't nothing coming. Alright, check it out. I'm give y'all a truck vlog. Hey, everybody, that's Tigger. What's happening, everybody? My name's Tigger. I'm silly as hell, man. Alright, there she go, the Sonic, man. Now look, I'm gonna take y'all to the Walmart. That sumbitch ain't nothing but right up the damn street. Patriot Mud Jug, get you one at themudjug.com. Cause we always spitting in one. Redneck Nation, get you one of these hats too at rednecknation.com. You know what? Y'all hang on tight real fast. Let me put my seatbelt on. Yes, it's raining. We make it rain around here. We sure do. Alright, so there go the Sonic, y'all, right? So I'm gonna go up here and I'm gonna take me a nice left up out of here. And hopefully, so say bye-bye to the sun. There she is. Now we're gonna wait on these cars right here. I'm kinda cleared that way, just gotta wait. Got the blue car coming. Now I gotta wait on these cars right here. And then I'll be able to go. Oh, we got some more cars coming here. But I'm like, oh, they turning. Oh, I peeled out in the rain. I hit the throttle. All right, so we took a left. I'm gonna turn these on just a little bit. I need new windshield wipers, man. My shit ain't worth shit. Can't see out the sun, bitch. I can probably see over on that side. Alright, so there's one street. That's my old man's house I be hanging out, man. You got the redneck inventions and stuff. Alright, this second road, the cherry picker track machine. Then went the second road. Now this right here, this next road is my road right here on the right. Alright, this road right here, that's me. Okay, there's a school right here. There's me right there. There's the school. I'm gonna go up here to 1-2 lights, son. We're gonna be right there at the Walmart. And yeah, let's see. I like to hit my cruise on. Police be trying to get you around here, man. I ain't gonna drop my phone, man. I'm making a video for y'all. I'll be damned. So, here we go. Back to the straight view. Man, this thing ain't that far at all, y'all. And like, hey, from to Sonic to Walmart, we go round and round. When we get bored, we just ride these same old roads. That's all there is around here, y'all. I'm trying to tell you, man. Y'all done see me come up this road before, man, in my truck vlogs. Passing fire department back that way. And yeah. Let's see, it's taken me 5 minutes so far and I'm almost there. Oh, I can cut my damn windshields off now. The rain has went away. Still gonna keep my headlights on though. Y'all new drivers out there, when it starts raining, cut your headlights on. That's not an old school method. That's a fucking driving method. I might be old school at 40 years old, but it don't matter how old you are or what generation you came from. When it rains, you cut your headlights on, man. Simple as that, always and forever. All right, so here is the first light.